Hello, this is just a quick video on how to, from a fresh operating system install, how to download Google Chrome and how to do some very basic customizations with it as far as how to organize favorites. So what we'll do is just from your default browser in Windows 10 Microsoft Edge, we'll go to google.com, which is where we currently are, and we'll search for Chrome. And from Chrome, we'll click on the first link here underneath there. It says download now. And then we'll download Chrome and we'll accept and install. And then we'll run. And now we simply wait for Chrome to download and then install. This process tends to happen pretty quickly. And it is almost done. So now we see it open Chrome up. So we'll just go ahead and maximize that screen. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually tell it to make Chrome our default browser. So from within here, we can simply click on Open Windows Settings, and then we go down to Web Browser under Default Apps, and we can just switch this to Google Chrome. And we're going to say Switch Anyway, and then it's done. Now, every time you open a link in email or somewhere else, it is on Google Chrome. So the next thing we want to do in order to customize Chrome is click on these dots over on the side up in the upper right hand corner. We can scroll down to bookmarks and we want to show the bookmarks bar. Right? And so now we have a bookmarks bar here. So if we have some, have some favorites from another file we want to import, we could do that, but for these purposes we're just going to actually say we're going to go anywhere else. So let's just say Office 365 portal. So if this is where you get your email, you can go to this, and then in order to add a favorite, you can just click on the star up here, put in whatever name you want for Office 365, make sure the folder says done, which it will by default, and click done. And then you can see that it shows up there. So another trick that you can also do is create folders here. So you can add a folder and you can say Microsoft. Let's say Microsoft. Then there'll be a folder in here that shows Microsoft. Now you can always move your bookmarks around as you want. So I can actually pull and drag that in here and it'll show up. Now if I add another bookmark, let's just say Xbox, for just an example I can come up with, and we're going to Xbox visual site. Now this is still a Microsoft item, so when I bookmark this page, right, I can tell it to put it in the Microsoft folder, and that way automatically it makes it a nice easy way to organize my bookmarks in a way where it's really simple to get to what I want to get to. And the stuff I use all the time is right up here at the top. So that is the basics. That's the basics of downloading, installing Chrome, and also setting it up to setting your bookmarks up in a way that's intuitive and easy to get to what we want to get to all the time.